Hello, traders. Welcome to the mini Thunderdome. We are live. Hope everyone's doing well. All right, we are on. Make sure everything is on. Okay. Amazing. Ooh, they don't want to do that. Amazing morning already. Got out way too soon on a trade here. Okay, so this is CL trading. If you don't know what CL is, this is crude oil, WTI crude. We are on the November contract. Each tick is $10. This is the large mini. There's a micro also, MCL. If I can get a sound check. Can you guys hear me? Sound check, sound check. Sound check. Let me know if you could hear me. How's the sound, guys? Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me or not? I don't know if you could hear me. All right. Okay. All right. So let's talk about some targets. So I took a long here. I took a short this morning. I missed all of this here. I didn't get there. I took a short here. And then I took a long from here. And I cleared at 56. But my target is 97. I was afraid of a pullback. I was also afraid of the market. All right, what is wrong here? All right, here we go. All right. I was just afraid of a pullback. So and also I was doing my private streaming, so I didn't want to get caught up on a trade in between. So I decided to get out early. But there still could be a move all the way and test 90. Market is only up $1, so there's still, I think, room to the upside. All right, I need to change my ATM here. Hold on. I'm only going to go and take one lot trades. I don't want to give any of my money back. I'm already, let's see here. Let's see if I could show this. Yeah, it's still the same. Nope, that's not it. All right, so as you can see, I'm already up almost 22, but this is without commission, obviously. So I don't want to give any money back. All right, so what am I seeing here? All right, I just missed a trade as I was talking. All right, there could be a trade here from 63 up. All right, I'm going to take a trade right now. High risk trade. High risk trade here. The true fill is, yeah, is a 63. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I should have really waited a little bit and gotten in at 63. I may add another one here. All right, so I'm looking for a test of the high. Go, 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 go! Get me out, 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 get hit, 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 hit! Go, go, go! Yes! Yes! Ha ha! Yes! Boom! So true target is 97. I just wanted a test of a new high. Glad I added. Woohoo! That was a nice trade. Nice little trade. Oh yeah. Woohoo! That was awesome. Still going. So $360 before commissions. Oh my God. I would have had 35. No, I would have been up $4,000. Yeah, because I almost added 2 right here, so I would have been long 5. Cleared at 97. Yeah, I could have had a $4,000 day. And here's my target. There it is. Boom. There it is. There it is. Wow. Yeah, I called that from here. Or here. I called it earlier from here. Called it here to here. Well, there's my target. Already had it there. Nice. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby. Yes. All right. Welcome, Sniper. Yeah, man. CL is where it's at. CL is where it's at. So, if you're new to this channel, I'm going to go and trade free every Tuesday for 1 hour. So, yeah. Welcome to go and join. And I also do a private streaming. If you're interested in that, log in into my website. I'll only charge $1 a day. But yeah, join us on Tuesdays. All right, so now what the heck is going to happen? Are we going to go and pull back and test 70? Okay. So we hit our new high is 07. Immediately they sold off. Market is up 134 points. Right. Let's see what I really don't have anything above this that is fairly close. I think we are done. I mean, my next up target is 90.75. Can it go? Yeah, it can go. And then would be positive $2. That's a stretch. I don't know. That's a stretch. Yeah, I think we may just start to go sideways here. I think we are done to the upside. I think we're probably just going to go and fart around in here now. So this is still support big time here. Support. All of this is all support. So I think that we're going to stay stuck here for rest of the day. Let's see what Bookmap is showing. There's interest at 16. There's interest at 43. There's interest at 56, 50. There's always going to be interest on the century and a half century, but I don't think we're going to get much higher. Let's see. Let me see if I can find something, because yeah, I don't have anything. We have a low of Friday, which is at 35. That could be probably the highest we go if it still picks up momentum. So right here. But usually I don't use that as a target. Hey, what's up, buddy? How are you, Reyes? All good? Nice seeing you again. Now I'm trading crude, not ES. This is WTI crude oil. We are on the November contract. I'm streaming a 2-minute candle, but I trade off of Renko. Well, it seems like most people go and trade the candle, so I'm just showing candle, but I find, all of my trades off of Renko. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the like button, please. I'm going to be doing this every Tuesday from 8:35 till 9:35 every Tuesday. Okay, so the market just shot up at the opening, pull back to the mid, boom. So it did an ABC up, or it could be a wave 3 also. So we did either an ABC or a wave 3. So naturally, it will want to pull back. Let's see how far down would this pullback be. All right, where's my FIBO? So either looking back at 89, all right. Now it may find support here from this candle, and we may have a 10-point up. I'm not taking it, but we could see a little 10 or 15-point up here to go and challenge 90. So we don't, all right. This needs to be support right here. Right there. All of this here. 74. Yeah. So, all right. And there it is. Here's the challenge. Let's see if we hit 90. Oh, came short. How far to go? 96. It may still have another couple of points on it. And there it is. There it is. Challenge. So that was a good little trade, even though I didn't take it. That was a nice little trade up. So now let's see how poor, how bad of a job, how poor of a job it does trying to make a new high. This is key. This is key. If it can't make a new high, if it pulls back all the way back down to 64, then we may be done with new highs. And there it is. So I didn't call it as a short trade, but I would have probably taken that. I would have probably scalped 90 down. So I'm going to be very careful. I'm already up here. I'm already up big time. I don't want to give any of this money back. Zero. Zero. I don't want to give any money back. So I'm going to be very tight. I think now it's going to be all fake outs. It's going to be all fake outs. So they're going to go and trap people. Buyers and sellers alike are going to start to get trapped here. So it looks like it's having a hard time making a new high, right? So that is poor. It's struggling. So there's a short. I'm tempted to take a short here. All right, I'm going to go short. I'm going to go short. High risk trade. Market may want to do a new high. Extremely high risk trade. I'm just going to go for a scalp. So I'm going to get out at 83, but true target is 67. If it does a new high, I'm out. If it does a new high, I'm going to scratch this trade. Order filled. All right. I'm just going to go for right here, 83. I'm going to give myself a little more room here, but this is a high risk trade. High risk trade. True target is 66. I'm just going to go for, so I'm upside down on the risk versus reward. I'm risking 140 to make 110, but it's just a scalp. Scalps, sometimes you're either even or, so you have to really be behind your trade. Gotta be sure of your entry when you're scalping. All right, come on. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Hot knife. There's interest at 84. Come on, sellers. Get in there. So I don't want to see an 03. Needs to stay under 03. If it goes above 03, I believe it will pick up momentum. So high risk trade, market's trying to make a new high. I'm going to give myself one more tick here. 09. Come on, sellers. Let's go. Wow, it hit a huge on the when it made this new high. It hit a huge stop of 337. That is a lot for crude. Come on, make a poor new high. All right. Bummer. All right. I knew it was high risk trade. So it did a poor new high, right? 2 ticks only. 2 ticks only. I think I'm going to try this one more time here. One more time. So I'm going against the trend. Well, this is extremely high risk trade. I'm going against the trend. I'm going to see if I could take 75 here. Going against the trend. Market is trying to make new highs. Rotations are up, not down. But I'm just looking for sellers to try to stop 90. I'm not looking for a reversal on the trend. I'm just looking for a proper pullback. So now I'm risking 80 to make 290, but I already lost 160, right? So if we get under 90, I may add one more. Oh, hidden order at 990.4. That was a sell order. Come on, sellers. All right, I'm going to add one more right here if we can get under. Come on, come on. And I'm going to go and split the order. I'm going to go and clear one at 82 and the other at 75. Hey, what's up, David? Things are good. Thank you for asking. Nice to see you. Yeah, I was doing private streaming. I'll be doing a free one every Tuesday. Then I also have my private streams Monday through Friday. If anyone's interested, go and check out my website. I'm only charging $1 per day. I'm just trying to make it affordable. Not only I want to give back, but I enjoy teaching. I really do. Come on. All right. So I'm going to go and split this. I'm going to split this. 83. Is it going to go? 74. Come on, baby. Come on. So risking 270 to make about $400. Come on, sellers. So true target on this trade is 66. I think now they are trying to trap buyers. Well, at least I hope, right? So it made a poor new high, or it could be the opposite. They could be trapping me. They could be trapping me. What's up? What's up, JR? So we broke through IB high, challenged 90. So in my morning stream, I was telling everybody that I think that we are done with seeing new lows for the rest of the year. I think we just did a low this morning of the low is 87.76. I think that 88 is the maximum, and now we might even go and challenge 100 by the end of the year. There's some analysts saying that we may see 150. I doubt that, because that would just break the American. Oh, and took me out. Big old buy spot. Bummer. Give back $400. Hey, what's up, John? Hope you're doing well. Thank you. Well, now I'm doing the CL. I'm teaching you guys how to trade CL. There's just too many robots. Too many robots in the ES. It's not following any rules. They know exactly how the retailer trades, and they just take everybody out with those bots, with those algos. So, I mean, I was still doing well, but hey, I want an edge, and you really don't have an edge on the ES. Here I have an edge. Here it's easy to figure out how. Oh man, another poor new high. I'm tempted to take another short, but another poor new high, huh? Yeah, I'm not. How much more do we have on the upside? Yeah, I'm not seeing it, but I don't want to keep getting chopped up here with my profits. I should have actually been trading the MCL next week on the live streaming. I'm going to trade the MCL if I already have profits. I'm not going to go and give back my money just because of streaming. This is my live account. If you never watched my streaming, this is my cash account. It's not evaluation. It's not a PA. I'm trading my own account. So I cannot afford to lose money or give money back just for the sake of streaming. So all right, I'm going to tighten up here and just let's see. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe so you can get a notification of when I go live next week. I'm going to do a free streaming every Tuesday. Man, I'm tempted to take another short here. All right, let me see what I have here. All right, I think that it may want to do another poor new high, and then I'm gonna look to go and take a short. If I miss it, I miss it. So it's having a hard time. Oh, we just got a absorption. All right, iceberg absorption. Okay. So we rotated 19 points down, 21 up, 18 down, 25 up. So in CL, you want to look for rotations. Rotations. All right, I'm going to take a short. All right, I'm going to take a short right here. If I see an 18, I'm going to cancel. Target is 77. I am tempted to take 2. Oh, all right, I'm going to cancel that. Actually, I'm going to leave it. All right, so it may want to go and challenge the low of Friday, which is 36. That is the only other target that I have on the upside except for 75. All right, I'm going to cancel that. So it's still struggling to make new highs. It's not ripping. If you were watching gold earlier, it ripped here. It ripped all of this. It was all rips new high. It was 10 points at once. This is like gobbling up. So it's still strong, but it's not momentum. You don't want to see it struggle when it's making new lows and new highs. You want to see a rip right through. 5 points, 10 points. Pull back. 5 points, 10 points. Yeah, almost took a short N19, but I don't want to be selling. I don't want to be selling the top. Not when we still may have another 10 points up. All right, so there maybe still be a trade from 03 all the way down to 77. So 03 all the way down to right there. Yeah, I almost took that short at 19. Almost scalped it. But I need to be very careful. I do not want to get under 2,000. Do not. Yeah, I'm already looking at what is it, $80 in commissions. So all right, so there's no more reports coming out. I think there is, what is it? I think it's T-bills. What is it? Yeah, there's oh, it's a 130. 130. No, all reports are done. There was one at, oh, it was at 8:30. It was the, yeah. All right, so all reports are done. There's just stuff at the end of the day. So got nothing to worry about as far as reports. Yes, I am. Yes, rhythmic. Yeah, I'm on November. November rhythmic. And this is a 2-minute chart. All right, the new high. So 24 is also end of a supply and demand area of mine. So from here all the way down here is all supply and demand, resistance. So anything above here may turn into support. Anything under 88 may turn into resistance. So these are the areas that you want to initiate a trade, is inside of support and resistance area. Why? Because it's a place that in the past trades took place, right? It's an area of liquidity. So you either want to go and use these areas as targets or an area that you want to go and trade. Meaning that if you go and take a trade outside, chances are that it may want to pull back inside. Wow, look at this. We are at 90.26. Right, market is positive 163. We are nearing the average range. Range is between 125 to 175 on the RTH. Right, hidden order at 23 that got filled. Right, we may see a little either 10 or 15 point pullback here. Already started. As I said, it started. And there it is. There's the pullback. Boom. Wow. On cue, huh? On cue. Thank you, market. Too bad I didn't take that, but all right. So it may want to go and challenge 90. So market it goes out of value into value, right? So it's always trying figure out what is the best price. So out of balance, in balance. So it may want to go and test 90 to see, okay, is 90 a fair price? Is it overbought or oversold? And then either traders will step in to buy, or no, it's too expensive. We need to be down at 89. So then they start selling, right? So out of balance. So there always has to be the same amount of trades, right? So if they're going to rip up, then you're out of balance. So now it creates a vacuum and they have to go and start selling, but it could get absorbed. It doesn't mean that it's going to move down. There could be enough buyers again to step in, absorb all of the selling, and maintain that price. So just because it goes out of balance and it falls in balance doesn't mean that's going to go back the other way. It could get absorbed. And those are the times that you get faked out. You think, oh, now it's going all the way down. No, they just absorb it, all those trades, and now they think that's still cheap enough. They want to take this higher, and they start buying. So now we are at a decision point. We just hit 07. So all of this area here is going to be all decision. All decision point. Either we go under and go and test that 75, or we're going to go up and test Friday's low of 34. So basically we're sideways. Worst place you want to be. If you're looking for rips. If you're just a scalper and you're looking for your 5-10 points, then you could buy at 90. And my ATMs are 3 contracts when I'm trading. In my morning streams, I showed that. I go and I trade 3. I go and I clear one at 5, one at 10, and then I leave a runner 20 points, and my stop is at 10. Now I'm only trading 1 because I don't want to give any of my profits back. So I'm just a little bit above 2,000 with commissions. Not a bad day. Hey, trading 3 contracts. Yeah, if you have an account under $10,000, if you have a evaluation or a PA account under 100 grand, I suggest you trading the MCL, which is the micro, right? All right, so there was that decision point. It hit 07, and the buyers came in, but it could just be a fake out. If we see it go under 07, we're going to see that pull back to 75. If it doesn't pick up momentum from the buyers at 90. Guys, I'm going to be leaving in 10 minutes. I have a doctor's appointment top of the hour, so I'm going to have to get ready. In 15 minutes I'm going to be leaving. I'm going to have to yeah. Okay, we may see that pullback now. Here comes sellers. So please join me every Tuesday from 8:35 Pacific Coast time. 1 hour free streaming. if you're interested in joining my private, I do it from 7:35 till 8:35. I'm not stingy with my time. Yesterday I almost did 2 hours, and I'm only charging 29 bucks. So fantastic, David. I'll see you. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah, and here we go. Here we go. Big selling. I think we're gonna see the test. Okay, I'm not gonna initiate any trades because I'm gonna be leaving. But here we go, guys. So 75 at least. Big old ripper down. Come on, sellers. So obviously there could be, there will be buyers at 90, right? Because it's a psychological number. Plus there are the buyers that want to stop the market at 90. But I think it's picking up momentum. So already 23 points down, right? 23 down. We were at 28. Actually more. 28 points down. Now, if it picks up momentum here, there could be a long. If you're on the buy bias, there could be a long here. And that would go all the way back up and test 29. So if you're on the buying side, I would go long now, put a stop at 96. Not a recommendation, not a suggestion, just an observation of what I'm seeing. If buyers have enough strength to hold here, it's going to go and retest the high. I wouldn't go for it, but if you're on the buying side, not giving any recommendations, just an observation. Long at 06, target either at 26 or 30. So high of the day, 26 or 30 would be the target. I'm on the pullback side of the market now. But this could be an awesome trade. Last challenge of the high to go and then rip right through 90 and either go and test 74, 65, or 56. So I think that it needs a test within this box here. So I wouldn't have taken that long, and I got that long because of if you look, let me change this to a 1 minute. If you do a 1 minute here, all of this here, so it's wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, is my short, right? So, or if you pull back even, this could also be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So there's quite a lot going on here. But it's looking more like a wave 5 up here to go and finish. It would be it's called a truncated 5. So wave 5 in Elliot wave is the only wave that could finish before wave 3, at wave 3, or after. I am, here, I'll show. I don't mind showing. Where is it? Make sure my account's not showing. Right there, 2100. This is before commissions. So we could be doing a wave 5 up, or we just finished a wave 4 and we're going to do a wave 5 down. So not enough information, but it's looking more like a wave 5 up. But I don't think we're going to make a new high. I do not think we're going to make a new high. So if I didn't have a appointment, I would be looking to go short here. If it does reach target, I think we would be done. But that is just my personal opinion, obviously, right? What do I know? Market does what it wants. So true target is 29, the high is 27. If you did take the long, I wouldn't be greedy. I would exit at 26. All right, guys, I'm going to be leaving in 5 minutes here. Thank you for joining us live. I appreciate you. I'm going to be doing this every Tuesday. If you have any questions, let me know. Oh, nice little trade. Yeah, 26 or maybe even 25 I would exit. Ah, look at that big old sell-off. Wow. That does not... Wow. Hey, what's up, Sean? You're welcome, buddy. Nice seeing you, man. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit me up in some likes. Wow, look at that. See, this is why I wasn't 100% sure on the long, but I would have scalped it out anyways. But look at that. Stopped right at 21. So this is what? If you're a candlestick trader, this is selling pressure, right? A wick is pressure. It went up there. It couldn't finish that candle up there. So they sold before. So there was selling pressure at 21. But look at that. There's a lot of pressure up here too. Every time it reaches this area, buyers come in. So there's buying pressure here. But I think we're going to go and test the 70s. Not a recommendation. But if we can get under 93, I think it's going to rip. So that short of mine, it was short at 03, target 77. Just saw a big sell spike that hit 97. All right. So we're definitely doing some zigzags here. Thank you, George. So you're George? Thank you, George. Or are you calling me George? I don't know. But if you don't know me, you can call me EW That's my handle, EWM, Elliot Wave Master. Most of my trades, it's through Elliot Wave or Fibonacci. Yeah, I think they're trapping people here. All right, here comes the selling. If it could rip through 89, if it hot knifes 89, we're going to see those 70s. So 89 is 76 Fibo to the upside. So there will be buyers at 90, but if it rips through that, then we will see the 75. So that long was just a little scalp. So it was long from 06 and it went all the way up to 21. Target was either a new high or 29. And the stop got hit, right? Because I said it should be at either 96 or 97. So if you went long, you got stopped out. Or you were smart enough to scalp and run with your profits. So somebody is going to get trapped here in the 90s, right? Either buyers or seller. Decision point. We already lost 35 points from the high. And ES is making a comeback. It's back into IB. All right, guys, I am done. Thank you for joining me in this live streaming. I appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Shoot me an email. I think the email is in the description. If it's not, you can just go to my YouTube channel and the email is there, or you can go to my website, which is eminithunderdome.com. If you're interested in our live private streaming, that is Monday through Friday, 7:35 Pacific Coast for 1 hour, but usually I go longer. All right. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. You're welcome. Thank you. Please do, John. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, it's $1 a day for you to learn. You know, I have 35 years experience in the market, so I have a lot to teach. All right, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day. Best of luck, everybody.